We are pleased to show you the 2007 300. The Chrysler 300 combines sport and luxury in one unique and powerful package. If you're looking for elegance and performance, the 300 delivers. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.